Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I need to get ready for my cousin's birthday party, and I'm still in my pajamas. So let's get ready. Okay, so I was like, you don't want to put on some Lulu today because it's a birthday party. And you don't want to get too hot, you don't want to get too cold. So I might put on some Lulu with like some Jordans or something. So yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna do, y'all. And I'm gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, wash my face, do all of that. And do my makeup, put some lip gloss on, and I'm gonna come right back. Yo, so this is the finished look. We got to do a outfit check. So first I got my Nike sneakers, I got this little jump suit from Shein, my jacket from Shein, my beanie from Shein, my purse from Kurt Geiger, and I got my earrings from Claire's, of course, my necklace from Claire's, and my wig install I did myself. The wig is from the TikTok shop. Oh, and my lashes I just added on to make the outfit look extra cute. I got from the hair store. So yeah, this is my finished outfit. Finished outfit. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to the party. Okay, y'all, so, this light is hitting really good. I am here, so this is the end of my get ready with me for my cousin's birthday party. So, yeah. Oh, y'all, that's my phone. I gotta go. Bye!